What if Samsung's next foldable phone wasn't just a minor refresh, but instead, a bold move to crush the competition with the largest cover screen ever on a flip device? That's exactly what's being said about the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7. Leaks now suggest that Samsung is planning to take the cover display to a whole new level, one that even beats the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, which is currently the leader in this space. If that happens, it means the Z Flip 7 could give users a full, nearly edge-to-edge outer display that lets them do far more without flipping the phone open. Think messaging, social media, maps, music control, basically a mini smartphone on the outside. Samsung might finally be breaking away from the small notifications-only approach that dominated early flip models. And that could be a game changer. The competition has already shown how powerful a larger cover screen can be, but Samsung has the advantage of deep software integration, especially with One UI optimizations that make multitasking and widgets feel smoother. So if they nail this execution, the Z Flip 7 might finally feel like a proper phone even when folded. Now, when we talk about size increases, the question naturally comes up: what about durability? More screen means more potential for wear and tear, right? But Samsung's foldable tech has come a long way. The rumors also mention improved hinge mechanisms and tougher ultra-thin glass, which means this might be their most reliable flip yet. And if you're wondering whether this huge display will hurt battery life, early info says Samsung might pack in a slightly larger battery to something in the range of 3,800 to 4,000 mAh. That's not huge by slab phone standards, but it's a decent upgrade in the foldable world, especially when paired with a power-efficient Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, which is also expected to debut in this device. In short, we're looking at real usability upgrades here, not just cosmetic tweaks. The design itself is rumored to be slimmer, with tighter bezels, a more polished frame, and a better crease that's less noticeable when you open the phone. So yeah, the Z Flip 7 might be the moment Samsung finally makes the flip feel less like an experiment and more like a flagship that anyone would want to carry. And let's be honest, Samsung needs to pull something exciting this year. Foldables have become more popular, but they're still not mainstream. A flip phone that offers a complete experience on the outer screen could be the one that convinces more people to ditch their slab phones. Plus, with Galaxy AI features expected to be fully integrated this time, especially on the cover display, you might be able to do everything from real-time translation to on-the-go photo editing without ever opening the phone. It sounds futuristic, but Samsung seems ready to deliver that experience in the Z Flip 7. So if you're tired of phones that all look and act the same, the Flip 7 might be the fresh start you've been waiting for. And with Samsung's Summer Unpacked event just around the corner, we won't have to wait long to see if these bold rumors turn into reality. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, hit that like button and subscribe. We've got all the leaks and first impressions coming your way.